Told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you one more time. One more time.
Guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making ice cream cookie sandwiches because we're going to be combining the best of both worlds. Especially on a hot summer day, the one thing you want to do is enjoy some ice cream. So we're going to be combining cookies and ice cream, making them one. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi there, my name is Shelby and welcome to my channel. If you're not new, thanks for sticking around. I'm so glad to see you guys again. Of course, if you guys have not already, make sure to hit subscribe, leave a like down below, and let me know what I should make next because I love making these videos and I'm so happy you guys like to watch these videos. So on this episode of Baking with Shelby, so professional. Today we are using my computer and we're basically using this recipe, but I'm gonna make it really professional and kind of walk you guys through it because I feel like I don't do that. I just kind of show myself making it, and I feel like it'd be fun if I just taught you guys how to do it with me. So let's get on to it. With Shelby. So for starters, I'm going to preheat my oven because I always forget to do this and it becomes a trend and I really have to start doing this, so we're doing it before. Alright guys, so we've got to get our recipe started. So on here it says that we have to whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. So let's get our baking soda, flour, and salt out. So for starters, we need 1 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour. So we're going to put in our all-purpose flour and we will go on to our next step.
Every single year, never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this lie.
Now we need a ½ teaspoon of baking soda and a ½ teaspoon of salt. So let's go put in our salt and our baking soda.
Every single year, never fails, I try. But maybe I don't ever wanna put down this life.
The next thing is 7 tablespoons of unsalt and butter. And my butter is not room temperature, so we're gonna have to make it room temperature very quick. And that's by putting it in the oven or cutting into cubes. So we're gonna do one of the two. We're gonna mix together or beat the butter and the sugar together. So basically it has like that butter, sugar, butter stuff that you put in cookies. So basically we're gonna put that together and then we combine the flour. And I wish I knew that. It's all good though because I'm gonna put the flour in here because I have to whisk it anyway. So I feel like this is the perfect one. I can whisk it and it gets a good mix when I pour it into the next bowl. So this is our new home for our flour. So I feel like you can really use any cookie recipe. It doesn't really have to be this exact one. But for the sake of the video and to keep it simple, we're just gonna do this. But I mean, honestly, it really doesn't matter what recipe you use. And quite honestly, I might double the recipe, maybe, just because I have no idea if this is gonna be enough for my family, but we'll see. Our butter is now room temperature, somewhat room temperature. I mean, it's still a little cold, but it has gotten very room temperature. So we're gonna add this in and then add in our brown sugar and granulated sugar. So now you're gonna put in our 3/4 cup of packed, has to be packed, brown sugar, and yeah, so we're just gonna add that in 3 times. So now it is time for our 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. So we're gonna put in our 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar now. So here's our 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now we just add that on in. Now we are going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla to give it some flavor and add that vanilla taste. And now, wow, vanilla. I'm hoping I don't drop this. We get eggs, and we need 1 egg. That's it, just 1 egg. I thought I would need 2, but I only need 1. It's time to throw in our flour mixture and give it its time in the spotlight. So let's go do that.
Man, that for you was 30, that for 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it.
This is 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. However, we're not going to limit how many chocolate chips we have because it's just simply not fair. I mean, chocolate chips are good and we got to give them their fair spot in the spotlight. So we're going to add as many as we feel like it, but not to the point to where it won't cook. So we're semi-following the recipe a little bit, but we're doing our own thing.
We're just riding a wave. Play the game, but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show. You're cruising down the I-5.
So our batter is all done, looking beautiful as ever, and now we have to scoop it.
It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door.
So I'm gonna get started on the sugar cookie birthday cake kind of cookies. And so I will be linking the recipes down below if you guys are interested in them at all. Otherwise, I won't be walking you guys through it all just because it's a long video if I do both. So I'm just gonna kind of fast forward through it, or I may not film it at all and just show you guys the finished product, because basically it's just sugar cookies with sprinkles. But yeah.
I don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep. I don't like that you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. 'Cause I don't wanna be someone loving, looking dumb, but you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you, I love to hate you. Ooh, ooh.
Gosh, the cookies are done. Look at that beautifulness. I burnt them. Wow. Even know I'm gonna put it in for less time next time because I feel like I burnt them even though I put them on the exact time and the exact temperature. So
But you don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open.
So our last batch is done, and now we gotta take it out of the oven and let it cool so we can put ice cream on it. Put it in for less time so I don't burn them or have them browned, and they still ended up sort of less burnt looking, but still a little bit burnt looking.
Oh, and I say I don't like you, you know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean I need to take my time with you. Every time you open I'm shutting down every time you come.
So it's about 8 hours later and I got my ice cream finally. So now we're gonna assemble it and put on all the cute decorations and make them cookies, but ice cream cookies. Finally done with our beautiful cookie. Look at this. It looks so professional. I love it. I'm very proud of myself. If this doesn't make you love summer, I don't know what will. Cookies and ice cream. What could get any better than this? Let's make our other ones and I will see you guys when we're all done. Guys, my ice cream cookies are all complete. They're kind of melting, so I feel like it's best if we take them over and we eat them now. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you guys want to see next. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all so very much. Bye!
Real close, say